Hey guys, it's your girl Amoy, and I've come to you again today with another bedroom makeover. And apologies for the delay because your girl's been busy, so it's very hard sometimes to not only film these things but also edit and get the content out to you. But I promise I will be better. So if you want to see this bedroom transformation, please stay tuned to the end. So this is what the room looked like before. As you can see, it's quite a small room. The bed is one of those small double beds. So I'm keeping the bed and keeping the wardrobe. There is two small sort of chest to drawer units in the room. I'm going to get rid of those and go for one single unit that's a bit taller. Yeah, so let's get transforming. It's quite a bit dark paint. It is a small room, but I think it will really work in the end. So I'm trusting the process. Yeah, so stay tuned. So guys, I have finished painting the room. This is what it looks like. I know it's showing up black, but it is not black. It is like a navy blue, like a dark blue. That's not black. That's the same kind of navy blue with silver. And then I'm gonna finish wallpapering that bit there. But all the paint in is finished. All the painting's finished. So still a bit more to do. I've got to sand down the bed. I'm just clearing out some stuff to get some space, and then finish wallpapering, and then paint the bed. Yeah, and then add the finishing touches. So stay tuned. So guys, please excuse the oiliness of the face, the spots on the top. I've literally just finished doing the room. So this is hot off the press, and this is how the room looked once I was done with it. It turned out really good, and as I normally say, I really do love it, and I actually do. So I'll show you what the room looked like before, and then this is what the room looks like now, and I'll take you through all the bits that I've done. So this is probably, out of all the room transformations, the most drastic one I've done. So as you know or remember from the before pictures, the walls were white. It's quite a small bedroom, and it was white. There wasn't really a color scheme or theme or anything going on, but I've literally transformed the space, and I think you know, the owners, they were a bit nervous about actually going so dark because the room was so small. And you know, sometimes when people are kind of questioning your vision or what you want to do, it sometimes makes you doubt yourself. as well. So I was a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I just had faith that it will come together and it wouldn't make the room look dark and dingy. And I think I managed to do that without actually making the room look dark and dingy. I'm not sure what the colour is showing up. Are you kidding? So guys, sorry, my phone was ringing. As I said, this is the biggest transformation so far, and you can see why. So let's start with behind me. I've gone for wallpapering one wall, and it's kind of the biggest surface area in the room. I did that because I knew I was going to go dark with the paint, and so I wanted kind of the biggest area to have that breakup in the colour. Gone for this wallpaper. I really like it with the silver pattern running through, and you can't really see it, guys, but it has got like a silver kind of, it's not just like, this is navy blue, but it's not just navy, there's like a silver kind of texture running through it all. And then I matched that, and I got the wallpaper from Dunelm, and also the paint, which I matched with the paper, and that was also from Dunelm. I'll link all the prices below. Okay, so the bed, as you remember, was kind of that pine bed. I sanded that and then painted it a grey, and I'll link the paint colour that I used down below. That was actually quite easy. I was very surprised about that, how easy it was to kind of sand down and actually paint. The bedding was from B&M, and the cushions of the inserts are from Ikea, and the cushion covers are also from Ikea. The curtains are from Ikea, so I also put up some curtain rods. And this light, I think this is one of my favorite, guys. So this light in here, this clear lampshade, and that kind of big exaggerated light bulb that's in fashion now, that is also from, both of those from Ikea. And then if I take you over to this wall here, we have this canvas. This was from the range. This was actually one of the first thing I got, and the idea, I was going to make the room black and white, but the person whose room it is actually wanted a hint of blue in that, so I kind of changed, but I thought the canvas would still work well. It's got the hint of silver, it's got the white, it's got the black. Cool. And apparently he also has a tattoo that's of the, was that a tiger? Yeah, that's a tiger. Cool. And in that there I've got so one of the things with this room, because it's small, one of the things is storage, and also, you know, being able to store things, but also the functionality of having like a bedside table. I didn't want to go for a bedside table because of the bulkiness, but I also wanted something for him to put little bits and bobs in, if he, you know, put his phone to charge, stuff like that. So I went for a little storage box instead, and actually in there I've put all like his gaming consoles, things like that, and then he can obviously put his remote and phone and things like that. So over to this side here, so over here we have a unit. The unit is actually from Ikea. You know, they spent quite a long time putting this up, but I did have help. Thank you, Sabrina. I did have help in actually putting that up. But yeah, that unit was from Ikea. So if you remember before, we had two smaller pieces in the room, which took up quite a lot of space. So in order to minimize the space and allow the door to open freely, what I went for was a taller unit instead of a wider unit. I got rid of this, so it gave him a lot more storage going upwards in kind of length, but rather than width. So that worked really well. And then on down here on the floor, I just had a little rug that we got, also grey, and that was from the range. So Guys, that is the bedroom transformation done. I do really hope you like it. As I said, you know, complete change. As you can see, I'll show you the before pictures once again so you can really see how much the room has transformed. There's lots more of this to come, so if you do want to like this type of thing, please do subscribe. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do that now. Don't forget to like and share the video. Also, as I said, I'll link all the stuff that I use where possible down below in the description box. But as I said, I will get more consistent with my content. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like this transformation as much as I do. Bye. So guys, one thing I did forget to say or show you is the LED light strips running around the room. I'm just going to turn it off. This comes with a remote. I got this one from Amazon. It's not working at the moment. Hold on. Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong with the remote, but I will show you with it off. That's what the room looks like off. I mean, personally, I probably would have gone for it without the LED strips, but customers always, we're always trying to make the customer happy, and he's a gamer, so he really wanted the strips. So this is what it looks like with it on. It comes with this little remote. You can change the different colors and obviously control it by the remote, so it's pretty cool. Apparently it's Bluetooth as well, so it's supposed to be able to play music. I haven't tested that feature. I'll leave him to find that out for himself. But yeah, they are really cool, like, and quite easy to put up. And I think this one was probably under £40, but it was quite a long length. You got 2 strips of them, so if you do like that sort of thing, then it's worth investing in. Cool. And this time I'm really going. Thank you again for watching. Bye.